Hello folks, this is part 15 of our video. There was some glitch in the previous part, so I couldn't complete that video. So we'll just complete this part. I had told you that we'll get dx by dt and we'll get dy by dt, and then we will go on to find the derivative. So also we have found out dy by dt. Now how to find dy by dt? It's quite clear to us. A times sine t minus t cos t. So first we find the derivative of sine t, which is cos t, and derivative of t cos t, it's a product, so you have to use the product rule and get the derivative. So what we are doing is keeping the minus outside, t as it is, derivative of cos t is minus sin t. It has to be minus sin t, and then plus cos as it is, derivative of t is 1, so that is why only cos t. Later on, when we open the bracket, it is a times cos t as it is, minus into minus plus t cos t, and then the minus comes here. So that's how it becomes minus cos t. Now that cos t and this cos t cancels each other, and you're getting at sin t. That's the derivative. So also you take the x, and x is cos t plus t sin t. Same way we find the derivative, dx by dt, a outside, derivative of cos t is minus sin t, t sin t, it's a product, so we use a product rule, t as it is, derivative of sin t is cos t, plus sin t as it is, derivative of t is 1, that way. And then the plus sin t minus sin t here also cancels, so you are left with at cos t. Now we try to find out the dy. This is for the previous problem. We get the dy by dx. Dy by dx is dy by dt into dt by dx. So as we always do in parametric form. So we have got the dy by dt, which we have it over here, and dt by dx means dx by dt in reciprocal form. Put it in the denominator. That's all. So put it in the denominator. Whenever you get dt by dx by dt, you put it in the denominator. That's it. It's the same thing. So we have put it in the denominator. We have simplified. So you have got it as tan t. Your differential is tan t, but you require d squared y by dx squared. So you take the derivative once again. But the problem is you're going to take the derivative with respect to x. Our variable is in terms of t. So how do we go about it? We will find out the derivative with respect to t and multiply it by dt by dx. So you get the derivative with respect to x. That you have to be a little careful. D squared y by dx squared means d by dx of dy by dx. So d by dx means, but because this is t, you find the derivative with respect to t and multiply dt by dx. So your work is done. So that's how it is. Sec squared t dt by dx, derivative of tan is sec squared t, and dt by dx, in order to make it derivative with respect to x. What we have done, sec squared t is derivative with respect to t. So make it with respect to x, it becomes dt by dx. That's all. So dt by dx, I have told you, whenever you get dt by dx, write dx by dt in denominator. Dx by dt you have. Put it in the denominator, that's all. Then solve it. Either you can have the answer as sec squared t by 80, or you can have 1 by 80 cos cube t. Now whatever, both are correct. So that's all for today. With more videos we can meet very soon. Thank you.